Hi, this is Dean. So today, I'm gonna make a ramyeon, the most popular food in Korea. Actually, there's a difference with ramyeon and ramen, which is Japanese one. So instant ramyeon. There are so many ways to making ramyeon. Like every people have a argument with making ramyeon. Which step have to go forward or backward? Something like noodle first or the powder first. So I will end up this argument with making ramyeon with my recipe, Dean's recipe. Depending on my experience, entire my life, 30 years, I have my own ways to make a ramyeon. You can give it a try. So I really love ramyeon. Before I go to bed, I always eating ramyeon. I've seen people who really suck at making ramyeon. When I see them, I feel so sad. So I can give you a little bit more yummy than before. So let's do this. And also, there's a way to not get fat. You know, there's a lot of not good things when you're eating ramyeon. So I will let you know a little bit harmless for our body, a little bit more help for our health. And after making ramyeon, filming to me eating ramyeon, like mukbang. So I will constantly upload like this kind of thing, usual thing, yeah, aka vlog. I wish you guys like this video. Okay, let's get it.
한 번 막혔습니다. 상대 공격권.
끝까지 빠져줘야 돼. 거리 아직 많습니다. 그렇죠.